Right, let's rip these seats out and replace with the ones I bought, and well, just wash all this down as well while we're at it. The first problem, the seat won't go forwards, so what I do, it's just jammed in there. Found a technique. If I grab this, pull this up, and just yank that forwards. What have we got here? So this Torx on the middle seat is a bit of a bugger because that one doesn't, it's T40, that one doesn't fit square. Tried this and it's chewing the inside, and now I'm going to try one of these inside there. It's not square. How are you supposed to get that in square when this is in the way? Okay, I've found a solution. So Torx bit into quarter socket, into 3/8 extension, into 3/8 ratchet. There we go. This one on the passenger side, it's incredibly rusty underneath, and the riv nuts just started turning. That's not good. So I've got some mole grips under there on the riv nut, and then this is completely rounding, but we're almost at the end. So I've just run a tap up. I screwed it right the way back in, and it's fine when it's loose. When the bolt's loose and running, the riv nut grips. Just run it all the way up, and now getting this undue slowly. It's spinning a bit with a bit of friction, but yeah. There's that bolt. Ooh, that's hot. I wish I'd done that to begin with. It was pretty rusty for some reason. All the other 7 were fine, but this one, that went on nicely. Just to there, and that gave it enough. Gonna have to get a new bolt though. Not good. Right, get to this one. Right, actually now I'll be able to swap that one out for that one and put a different one on there. There we go, what a mess. That's all lovely and clean now. Can't tell you how much. That was about 6 hours yesterday cleaning all this, washing it down. Right, these bits are back on, and next, seatbelt mounts. This one's a bit knackered, and it was an MOT advisory. It's one that goes on the driver's side. Luckily, I'd fitted that one, which came from my second Defender. Really, I should have put that one in the first place. So that's a bit fiddly. You've got to take the middle seat out. Bolt gone. So I'm going to fit this. It's the stalk for the front seats prior to 999 or late 98. So I'm going to fit that there. Should have done that originally. That would have been much better. And then fit that one there, and then put the original one in there as well. Right, basically I still run around here because they're going to get squashed up together. Let's put some Loctite on these. Give it a sun shield. And then the middle seat's going to come down on top of this. Again, that fiddly bolt. Copper grease everywhere. Where's it gone? And there comes the fiddly bit. Oh, it's not 10. These never had washers, so I've got some brand new ones. And screws, never had screws either. Might reduce some of the transmission noise. Maybe one day I'll change them out for the correct sync passivated washers, but that's alright for the time being. Oh, they slide so much nicer than the originals. There we go. So that one's the original. Everything else has now been replaced. Because that one's actually quite good condition. Might as well keep that. And that's been replaced. Nice. Look at that. That looks proper good, that does. If I get a mat down here, it looks good as new. So the seats are in, and I think they've completely transformed the interior. That's such a big improvement. They're not perfect, a bit scuffed on here. These came out of a hard top as well, so they're technically not factory original because they had the, you know, this kind of scuff pads here, and it doesn't have a mat pocket. But I can live with that for the moment. A bit of wear down here on this side, but one of the benefits of you know, buying from a right-hand drive vehicle, putting it in a left-hand side vehicle, I've got the seat that's got the less wear on it now, or the, you know, so it's pretty good. It's pretty good. It has made a big difference to the comfort. I still think I like the Puma seats, but I'm a slave to originality. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye for now.